I got a surprise today. Let's talk about it. Hey everybody, welcome to HamShackTV. I'm your host Josh, AA4WX, and today's video is sponsored, but it's sponsored for a really good reason. I got a nice little surprise today. So, you all know that last night I stayed in that. Folks, I admit defeat. I am not an outdoorsy roughing it guy. This ain't gonna work. So I woke up this morning and went and talked some folks at an RV dealership, and told them what I was doing down here and that kind of stuff. And they said, hey, why don't we let you take this for the weekend, try it out, see what you think. So they said, just do a review on it. So we're going to do a review on it. Check this out. This is the Amerilite. I don't know what the model number, or I think it's a T9995 or something like that. But they were nice enough. They brought it up here and delivered it for me and everything. Wonderful. Now, I'm going to check it out here. I know one thing they did not do is they did not set up the power. This is the 199DD. So, pretty nice little rig here. One thing they did not do is set up power. They wanted me to do that, so I'm going to do that now. Pretty simple. Shake the water off. It's been raining up here at Montesano, so don't want to get lit up. I'm just going to go right in here, right like so. All right, should have power now. So there's that. You can see it's connected. The one thing they asked me is please do not hook up any water to it, which that's fine. I don't need water. I don't need water. But this is the Gulfstream Amerilite. That's what the name of it is. Gulfstream Amerilite. Takes propane if you need it, that kind of thing. But let's check it out. Now, one thing. Oh, I was going to say one thing I don't see is steps, but the steps are actually inside. So I'm just going to undo that like so. Open the door. Sorry to bump y'all. There you go. Steps are right like that, and we'll go right on in. Check this out. This is pretty cool. I cannot thank the folks from Campers Inn RV enough for letting me try this out and getting me off of that terrible thing. Now let me be honest with y'all. I just didn't get any sleep last night. 3 hours of sleep at the most, and then it started thundering and lightning. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn all this on. Don't need water pump, don't need heat, lights. I'm gonna put out the awning here. Oh, you know what? I need to retract it first because I got to shut the door. There we go. Now door's shut. And because I can't see, I'm just going to go ahead and extend it while it's open. So I'll look out the window here as it extends its way out. You can see the arm coming out there. Yeah, there we go. Like so. So while it's pulling itself out, microwave, got a little gas cooktop there, sink. Of course, we won't be utilizing a sink or anything like that. It's got an AM/FM radio. And we're still extending. Still extending, still extending. And there it is. All right. So it is pretty warm in here, folks. So let's fire up some air conditioning. So there's that. Wait, I don't know if this is for in here or not, but got a bathroom in it, shower tub. I don't know who's going to use that tub. It is quite small. Refrigerator, wonderful. Freezer, wonderful. Microwave, outstanding. And your air conditioner's up here. So let's turn this on here. Cool, colder. Sorry if I blew the air out of you. So there you go. We are in here. So, guys, I can't say thank you enough. Let me get myself in the frame here. I can't say thank you enough to Campers Inn and RV, or Campers Inn RV in Madison, Alabama, for bringing this out here and letting me try it out. I'm very seriously considering a camper. It's just, you know, the hotels and things, it just gets too costly. This would probably be cheaper off in the long run. Let me turn this off for just a minute so y'all can hear me. That air is cold, so that's good. But I can't thank them enough. I want to thank John, I want to thank Payton, and the general manager Clay for making this happen. This is outstanding. Those guys are fantastic. If you're in the Huntsville, Alabama area, or the Mid-South, Middle Tennessee, East Tennessee, West Tennessee, North Georgia, Central Georgia, North Alabama, Central Alabama, come give these guys a shot. Campers Inn RV. Just fantastic guys. We'll see how this works out. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do yet from a purchase perspective, but we're just all doing this stuff to try to make the channel even better. So guys, if you want to see more content like this, do you want to see me get an RV? Money has to happen for that. So guys, shop the affiliate links down in the description, and also super thanks. There's a super thanks button down below. If you want to contribute to the cause, I would certainly appreciate that. Everything you do goes back to supporting HamShackTV. The purpose of this isn't a vacation for me. This is to bring you content, entertainment. So guys, again, Campers.
They are yelling at us about the speed. Slow down, slow down, slow down.
Let me turn that down. Yeah, Campers Inn RV, Madison, Alabama. Thank you guys, appreciate you. I hope we can certainly work together more in the future. But this thing is fantastic, really like it. We'll do more videos, I'll give you more reviews on it, but this is a fantastic device, fantastic camper. I'm looking forward to staying there. Thank you for making my stay more comfortable here in Huntsville for the Huntsville Ham Fest. Guys, we'll see you in the next video. More content coming up. 73's AA4WX, WSCB 693.